Hi guys, I'm Satyanarayana from IPCS. As a Python developer, we need to solve many problems in programming as well as in real life. Yeah, sort of everyone do. The first problem you are going to face as a Python beginner is an interview that you need to get a job, right? That's what today's video is all about. 10 interview questions for you guys. As a Python beginner, everyone will ask this question, what is Python? Where are you studying this? Why? In interview, it will be asked because they need to know what do you understand about the Python. You must tell who created it, when it was released, and what's its purpose, and where are the domains that language is used, and that what is the answer they are expecting. Okay, so Python is created by John Doe and Rossum, and it was released in 1991. It is a general purpose computer language. It is high level language, object oriented language. It can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux and Unix. It's widely used in data science, AI and machine learning domain. Why Python is so popular as compared to other languages, or why are so many people interested in studying Python or doing some software in Python? Why? Python is very easy to learn. It's in readable format that we can understand easily. And we have libraries in Python. We don't need to write the whole code, just import that. That's why people are choosing Python. And the third question, what are the advantages of Python? Of course, it is resource and object oriented, built-in data structure and readability, high level language. It can be used in cross platforms like that. These are the advantages of Python. The next question will be, what are the applications of Python? Of course, where it is used. Yeah, it's used in web and internet development, game section, language development, operating system, in AI like data science, scientific and computer application, and business application development. Okay, I guess these are basic questions which are asked about Python in an interview. Okay, some questions will be tricky, and like that the question is, what is a PEP8? It's a document which helps us the guideline to how to write the Python code. I mean, it is created by the creator itself. Its main purpose is to improve the readability and consistency of the Python code. Okay, its full form is Python Enhancement Proposal. It's simply just a document. Okay, that helps us to improve the Python code. Okay, or to understand what is Python and like that. Okay, how can we write Python code? And there comes the question from the basics. So what is Python literal? Literals are nothing much more like it's a data which is stored in a variable. Okay, these literals can be defined as a data which is given in a variable or a constant. 5 types: Boolean, numeric, string, special, collection, like that. So you know Boolean, right? There is not much in Boolean, true or false only. If the condition is true, it will print true. If the condition is false, then false. Okay. And there comes numeric. Numeric means in float, complex, octa, hexal, like that. String, single line or multi-line. Special, nothing much. Collection means list, tuple, dictionary, sets, like that. Collection means array of data. I mean a collection of data. There are 4 types of collection, and each collection has their own features. Okay, the question is, what is Python literals? Then you can say literals are like this. It's just a data which is stored in variable, and these are the types of literals, and you can just explain them. Pandas are an open source package, Python package, which is used in domains such as data science or data analytics tree. Okay, also in machine learning. What is Panda? Panda is a Python package, okay, which is used in machine learning, data science, etc. And it is used mainly for cleaning messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. If you have got some big bunch of junk data or any other data, okay, it's huge, okay, you can't even read like that data. We can use Panda to clear that messy stuff and make them readable and relevant for that we need to analyze the data and get some answers. Panda allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Okay, It can clean messy data and make them readable and relevant. That's what Pandas do. Data frame. It's a word in Panda package. Okay. What is data frame? Data frame are two-dimensional data. These junk data are that we can even read. Okay. So to get more readable form, to get it that into more readable form, we need this data frame. It's a two-dimensional data structure. The data is aligned in a tabular fashion in rows and columns. Okay. Pandas data frame consists of three principal components: the data, rows and columns. Okay. The junk data will arrange as a column and rows so that we can easily read that or understand what the data meant. Keywords. Another question from the basic. Keywords are reserved words. Okay. These have special meaning in Python language. We can't use as an identifier or a variable name. This means these are set of words. Okay. Some words we can use, we can't use. We can't use as an identifier or a variable name to save the data or anything for any other purpose. These have special meaning or special purpose so that we can't use as an identifier. Words are like that: false, await, else, important, pass. It's a keyword. Okay. If can't use as an identifier, you know that. This is a conditional statement. So it has a purpose. That's why it can't use as an identifier. So that's what keywords all about. Another tricky question is pipette. Okay. What is Python path? It's a path that we can store external libraries or external directories or any other module that we can store inside that. If we need that, we can use that path and get that module for our project or for our software. Okay. That's what the Python path means. How can we set that? Okay, set that path in your system. Once you install the Python, we can go to the system properties and there advanced, and in that there is a environment variable option. You can press that and there you can see edit option. There you can set the path of the Python path. Okay. In this path will be the path that you need to get the directories or modules. Okay, you need to save that first in this path, and the Python automatically will get that if you import that path or directory. That's all for today's videos, guys. Thank you.